I greet everybody where they watch me today. Una know say as everything shuts down, audio, Instagram, Facebook, everything, we get small peace. Only for us to just come back alive now. Different news, different story, and don't they come. This one now about James Brown. One man don't come outside. They claim say James Brown come Cubana Club, say come thief their money. Say no be only James Brown. He come there with him friends. I don't know how many this guy go carry their money. But this guy now, they want this guy say he don't give him some particular amount of time. Say if Oga no come outside, come return their money, he go talk wetin happen between two of them. Wey be say it can't lead to this whole stealing and everything. My people beg, make now join me watch.
I know me say before I misbehave, I like to the beg. Now I want beg James Brown, Tobi the creator, and the other motherfucker they came with. I beg, except they beg now. I beg, return the money when on a thief for Cubana. The money you stole at Cubana yesterday night. I beg go, I just got beg. I'm not return the money now. Nobody understand the shop. I will keep it that way. Your time starts now. From now to the next 6 hours to return the money you guys stole from Cubana. And they beg now. You cannot dress up from your house and go and thief. You cannot see if you want to vote thief, thief any other money. But you see the money belonging to Grace, you know if you're thief and like that. So I kindly and peacefully beg now. You wake up, my head not clear. I see high. So just return the money, we will just pretend like say nothing up. You know understand? Because if I activate, okay.
Really? James Brown and Tobi the creator are surprised. Since when on a carry thief enjoying the whole year work on I do. Because me at least all of na they claim say na be celebrity on a get money. But later me say they wait na there himself come as him and him friend. They claim say then they just want make fame. Say this guy will come outside they talk this kind of he just won't come outside can't spoil their name. Say nothing like that. Why be say them they could go thief their own money? For those of them who never watch this video, they can join me watch.
You guys are trusting me. I want to say a big warning to all my fans and loved ones that whatever you hear about me on social media, it's just social media. How can you be stupid and be listening to a cloud chaser? I mean, I don't know what it says. I don't care about what it says. Whatever you guys heard or you think you heard shouldn't prompt you to ask stupid and irrelevant, silly question. Don't be an hypocrite and a bastard at the same time. Respect yourself, darlings. Because I, James Brown, will not stoop so low to reply a commoner, a bitch. Oh, did I say commoner? I mean motherfucker as oh.
I've seen all over the net a cloud chaser with 20,000 followers calling my name and my best friend name. How dare you? Because you are opportune to take video of me from afar doesn't mean you have the right. Later, if we don't allow you guys to take video, you guys will say celebrities are rude. Can you please provide evidence of me stealing your money? See, if I do not get that evidence, I will deal with you. You meet my lawyer. Whoa. See, all these people that talk so much, me, I don't care. I have psycho. That is why I don't like this social media fight. I hate social media fight. Please, if I do not see evidence within 24 hours, you will meet my lawyer and I'll make sure they deal with you.
Now I don't even know who I won't believe. Behind this guy will first come outside, I been then these two people now will come outside, they talk their own. Because he can't be like say now, but what did they call him? James Brown don't go pay this guy. Maybe now what make himself can't get man now, they talk this kind of thing. But God beg, if you do this kind of one, it no make sense. As a celebrity, if you know see your money no rich. No, they do pass yourself. Now we think is done your talk. And I sure say this place if na club, I don't see the whole drag. Make na just go watch CCTV. If na true saying if your money, I sure say by now they go don't see him. No be say go just come outside, they make claims say ain't if your money, not if your. But anyway, that one at 12 now go settle this whole matter. Anyways, my viewers, I hear this one now, so make I bring and come. Make now stay tuned for our next story. Another problem don't land again, and this one na between Brymo, Face Idibia and Annie Idibia. Me I just dey na there we see say singer Brymo come begin call out Tuface. Say Tuface accuse him of sleeping with Annie Idibia, that is his own wife. Say two of them they do things together. Now wow, I don't understand this whole thing. And say him they claim say this accusation no be today. Start say this guy don't they do this one since. Say again one time, now so two of them they together, Tuface, they use style, they jack up, they give them blue. They mention in name Brymo, but what thing they happen, you know they tell them, okay, now what you this, now what you do, now be this. In just they act calm. They two of them even talk, you know, tell us, okay, now why are they talk this kind of thing? I hear say you they sleep with my wife. Don't be saying guess in they very certain about this one. So later, even as two of them, they even Tuface constantly come meet them. Come tell us, so Oga, I won't make two of us sing, but him no reason as okay, Tuface will they plan anything bad for her. Now their instinct can't accept. See as they can't go for this show, now their Tuface can't set them up. Set guys up for us, see me they can't beat them, make they beat them well. Now they can't the reason as what thing will cause all this whole beating? Just because you hear say I they sleep with Annie, I be waiting. I be you they very certain say I they sleep with Annie because him no understand. Or maybe not because two of them they drag for fame, say who go be the greatest artist for Africa. Say because you don't understand why Tuface go come beat him. And say what when they vex him about this whole matter now. Since when Tuface don't accuse him of saying they sleep with him, well, he never come as I can't tender an apology. To talk say this thing when he talk, in they very wrong because he know say he know they sleep with Annie. But Tuface get the man tell and say in they do. I won't come ask abeg. If Tuface no get fact, she go come as I can't talk this one. But Brymo now they claim say make we know they look Tuface with good eye. So we just they look and say in they humble, say nothing, you know they very humble. Say just they pretend they look calm, they act like saying be good person, but him no be good person. And say as he be him go voice out, him go speak out in mind. Because this thing him don't they keep and say, but bros, I need to ask you something. This thing don't happen since 2016. You know come as I can't talk. Now when be everybody don't move on. Even when Annie come as I can't call the husband. Say I demand they follow another girl. You know use that period. Say make I even use and talk out my own. Now when be everything don't die. We say September don't carry your wahala go. Now you say come aside. They bring in this news. But I beg now how you want make we settle down for sure you want we the social media people go come help you tender the apology. I don't know as you go tell the but now waiting in want. Say now only the apology now go calm down in heart. So Mr. Face Idibia, I beg try write the apology letter. Give this guy make everywhere calm down. Make we hear word back again. My viewers, I hear this story now. See make I bring and come. Make now stay tuned for our next story. My viewers, I hear say they just arrest some kidnappers inside Abia State, and these ones where they do this work now young boys. And these people they know they joke with their work at all. On and know as these people they do their own kidnapping work. They fit just see person and the next thing they go begin follow you. They go your house, and if they follow you go your house now there they go kidnap you. If you no get any reasonable money pay these people, the next thing now death they go give you. They go just carry you, kill you just like that. Now person where they do this one for now I can identify one of them as in see for bank. Now I can call them out. Now person where kidnap me now be this so my fears I beg. Make na join me watch.
Abraham. I'm 21 years old. I'm from Abia State, you know me well. What brought me here is I go do kidnapping.
Kidnapping and what?
And murder case.
I'm listening.
So I don't.
How many kidnapping you've done so far?
3 times.
How many of you in the gang?
We did 6.
In your gang?
Yes.
The man you people at Oboi, where did you see the man?
On the road.
Eh?
We see the man on the road.
What now happened?
We now flood the man to his house.
Okay.
As we enter inside the man's house, the man now see us started running. We now man.
What of the other woman?
That woman we see him for road, we still follow him to their place. As he enter inside the house, we follow him to inside house, carry the woman.
Is there any of your gang member here?
Yes.
Are they here now?
Yes.
Point them, let me see them.
So,
How many guns you have?
3 guns.
What type of gun?
Small one 2 with pump.
You said?
Small one 2 with pump.
Okay. The man you people, is any of the gang member that follow for the work?
Yes.
Are they here?
Yes.
Which one of them? What's the name? Your name?
Monday. I'm from Abia State, Obiungwa. And what brings me here is kidnapping and murder case. I'm 26 years old.
Now they see people when they commit this crime, you go even see the face, the pity for the person. Hey, yeah, you know go know say this kind of person. Now killer 9 be 21 years old. Now they do this kind of killing of a job. And they still get murder if they even talk, they don't even talk out of pity. They talk with full moral. Say and then they be killer, they be murderer. If you don't get money, they go kill you. I beg. People when they do this kind of thing, they know they get sympathy. I don't talk about our government, they suppose just impose law. For all these kidnappers, maybe they just they kill them. Because the way with them they kill people, they know they pity person. If now you they catch, if you no get money, they go just slaughter you. But see our government, if they catch them, they will go they open school for them. See where they go they learn tailor, maybe they go they I beg which way. Now so they suppose they treat these people. People they treat people like animal. Or now they treat them like princes and kings. See where they enjoy their own self after they don't kill people. So this is where they catch on, in fact, it really sweets me. But I beg our Nigerian police have been a journal. If now they ask questions sometimes, I don't know, make na no even just they ask, make na just carry the person, show us their face, okay. Now what did the person do with this? Because now questions sometimes they very stupid. Or now catch person finish, now when they ask and say, I point out your people. Or now not catch them together. At least when I catch them packed together, it's okay. Now then the criminals be this. Now when they ask them whether they identify themselves. Now wow, because this whole thing, they do like say, now no even go school of the whole thing. So if you point it, if you can't go point another person, so it means on not even do an investigation before now go pack these people. It's okay, now then be criminal. And I just carrying herself saying now when they do record. Now what I beg, make a change. The kind of question when they ask, you don't need too much. People don't they vex. Sometimes now on a question self, now they make the whole matter worse. Now they make these people they even slip out of tongue. And this guy now they claim say they get bomb. I beg where they foresee bomb. Say they carry gun. I bet where did they see all this kind of thing? If no be say now on a police self now they supply all these people with all these kind of things. But me I don't reason any judgment they won't give these guys. May they collect them because now waiting their eyes see and they use carry. Now they won't go they do kidnapping work. So as they don't catch now make now go face now judgment now own. The whole Abia now they terrorize not knowing say now on our own citizens so now they cause all this kata. Anyways, my viewers, I hear this story now say make I bring and come. Make now stay tuned for our next story.